Hello guys, for today's video I am going to discuss multiplication of integers. So we have the example here, same sign, positive multiply by positive is equal to positive, negative multiply by negative is equal to positive. Different sign, positive multiply by negative is equal to negative. Negative multiply by positive is equal to negative. So magbibigay ako ng example. Same sign muna tayo. Positive 5 multiply by positive 9 and that would be positive 45. Okay, clear? Another example. Negative 6 multiply by negative 6 open and close parenthesis is equal to positive 36. Okay. So dahil ito ay same sign, positive multiply by positive, that is positive. Negative multiply by negative, that would be positive. Okay? So sa mga exam, wala kang makikitang sign number ng positive. Understood na positive yan. So nilagyan ko lang para madali mong maintindihan. Okay? Another example. Sa different sign naman tayo. Sa different sign, positive multiply by negative, that would be negative. Negative multiply by positive, that would be negative. Example, positive 7 multiply by negative 8. Open and close parenthesis. And that would be negative 56. Okay, clear? Another example, negative 9 multiply by positive 6. And that would be negative 54. Okay, clear? Okay guys, there you have it. I hope that helped, especially to all students. Thank you.